How is the electricity that powers your home and business made? Idaho Power's largest energy source is hydroelectric dams and reservoirs, which use flowing water to create electricity. Electricity can't be easily stored, so the reservoirs act like giant batteries that allow us to generate electricity the instant it's needed. Here's a close-up look at how we do that at one of our 17 hydroelectric plants. Brownlee Dam is Idaho Power's largest hydroelectric project. It was completed with 4 generators in 1959 and became the first of 3 dams in the Hells Canyon complex. A 5th generator was added in 1980, raising Brownlee's generating capacity to 675,000 kilowatts. Brownlee also provides flood control and recreation opportunities to the region. Brownlee Dam and Reservoir's name is derived from nearby Brownlee Creek, most likely named after the Brownlee family who settled the area in 1862 and operated a ferry across the Snake during the late 1800s. That is the spillway. It allows us to pass water over the dam when needed in a controlled manner, such as for flood control in partnership with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. This is where the heart of hydroelectricity really begins. The water from the reservoir flows into areas called intakes. The intakes have trash racks that help prevent large items like logs from getting into the turbines. The racks at Brownlee collect a lot less material than our other projects upstream. The reservoir is so long that most things that get washed in from the Snake River sink to the bottom before they get to the dam. Once through the intakes, the water goes through enclosed pipes called penstocks. Below the penstock, water flows into the scroll case, which provides the contact point with the turbines. As it travels, it spins sets of turbines similar to giant propellers. From the turbine, water flows through the draft tube and then is released in the snake. The spinning turbines then rotate a generator shaft inside a coil of copper wiring, creating an electrical current. Here at Brownlee, there are 5 generators all doing this. The whole process from generation to the flip of a light switch is almost instantaneous because energy travels at nearly the speed of light. Once we have an electrical current, we send it through a step-up transformer, which converts the energy into a high voltage so it can travel long distances across transmission towers and lines. Once it gets close to its destination, we step down the energy, typically at a substation, then deliver it to where it's needed via distribution lines. Above or nearby the generator is the actual powerhouse. Here, our generation specialists monitor and maintain the generation units 24/7. They can also manually start and stop the units from generating if needed, and they can adjust the rate of water flowing into the turbine. One great advantage of hydro is that the output can quickly move up or down in response to changes in demand or changes in output from other resources like solar or wind. We have a small ladder leading to a fish trap at the base of Hells Canyon Dam. Adult fish captured there are taken to Oxbow Hatchery for spawning. Our dams and reservoirs also provide regulated flows for fish and numerous recreation opportunities to customers. And there you have it, an inside look at how our largest single source of energy, hydropower, is generated.
I hope you enjoyed this look at one of the most important ways that we keep your energy reliable, affordable, and clean. Our hydro teams work every day to make sure that we all have the electricity that we need when we need it.